Hello student, welcome back to Kanchanasada International School Manmad Sunday English activity. Our activity topic is tenses. What is tenses? The word tenses is derived from the Latin word tempus, which means time. Definition of tenses. Tenses is the form in which a verb is used to express when an action is, was, or will be performed based on time frame, that is, when the action is taking place. We can divide or categorize tenses into three types: present tenses, past tenses, future tenses. TENSE. The tenses is the change of form in a verb to express the time of an action. There are three tenses: present tense, past tense, future tenses. Each of these principal tenses is again subdivided into four categories. Indefinite, it means simple. Continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Past tense, present tense, future tense. The tenses of a verb tells when an action happens. In present tense, action is now. In past tense, action has already happened. In future tense, action will happen in the future. Based on time frame. Present tense. Present tense express an unchanging, repeated, or recovering action or situation that exists only now. It can also represent a widespread truth. Past tense. Past tenses express an action or situation that was started and finished in the past. Future tenses. Future tenses express an action or situation that will occur in the future. Here we have some examples of jump. Jump, jump. In past tense, I jumped. Ed is there because action is completed. In present tense, I jump. Action is going. In future tense, I will jump. The action will occur in future tense. That is why you can see you jumped, you jump. I will jump. We jumped, you jump. You will jump. They jumped, they jump. They will jump. He jumped, he jumps. He will jump. She jumped, she jumps. She will jump. It jumped, it jumps, it will jump. Based on aspect. Indefinite tenses means simple tense. The three indefinite tenses or simple tenses describe an action but do not state whether the action is finished. Continuous tenses. The three continuous tenses or incomplete tenses describe an unfinished action. Perfect tenses. The three complete tenses or perfect tenses describe a finished action. Perfect continuous tenses. To combine the complete tenses and incomplete tenses to describe an action which was in progress and then finished. 12 possible verbs in tenses means three tenses is categorized in four sub part. In present tense, present indefinite or present simple. Continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Similar in past tense, past indefinite, past simple tense. Past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Similar in future, future indefinite or future simple. Future continuous, future perfect, future perfect continuous tenses. Thank you. Stay home and safe home. I hope you liked the tenses and you understood the base on tenses. Thank you.